The graph is telling me the production of paper of companies X, Y, and Z during 5 years. So, as we can see in the graph, the company G starts with the smallest bar in 1996, but by the end of the 2000, the company increased steadily his amount of production. So by the end of this year 2000, they start being the market leader. So that's amazing because they apply a great strategy. And the other companies stay at the same, almost the same. The company Z stay remainedly, and the company X just increased a little bit, but stay at the almost the same levels as the beginning of the 1996, with almost 5 tons of paper. And the company Z stay the same as the 1996. So just the company Y decided to increase, and they applied a great strategy to follow. The company X it's follow